Hey there, cloud enthusiasts. Ever dreamt of taking your IT career to the next level, especially if you are looking to optimize your cloud infrastructure and services? Today, Neeraj Qzz, Senior Cloud Architect, brings to the table a comprehensive guide on mastering Azure Virtual Machines, a strategic guide for IT professionals. Buckle up as we take a deep dive. First off, understanding Azure VM architecture is key. Azure VMs give you the flexibility to deploy your applications across various environments, from a simple laptop with just memory to a massive on-premise data center. Let's discuss scalability using a practical example. Imagine you are running an e-commerce site during Black Friday. Traffic spikes unsurprisingly. With Azure VMs, you can quickly increase your cloud resources by scaling out the number of worker or compute roles to accommodate the surge in traffic. Azure achieves this through Azure Cognitive Services auto-scaling capability. Your site doesn't go down and your customers keep shopping. Performance, the second pillar of Azure VM, often dictates the success or crash of your services. Azure VMs can guarantee the rapid and reliable performance of your services and data. For instance, Microsoft's Power BI provides end-to-end insights into Azure resources. This helps organizations understand their consumption, predict demand, and hence makes informed decisions. Next, enter advanced troubleshooting, because if it ain't working, IT heads need answers. Azure VMs offer built-in tools like Azure Monitor, Azure Log Analytics, and Azure Operation Logs for quick and effective diagnosis. If your web application is taking too long to load, these services can give insights into what's happening behind the scenes, and with Azure Monitor, you can even establish alerts based on specific issues you may be experiencing. Now, on to best practices. Before jumping into deploying an Azure VM, always consider its intended workload carefully. Design with failure detection and